emergent weather message for the following county, Stark County, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Stark County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a possible tornado near Massillon, or 11 miles west of Canton. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Canton, Massillon, Inavar, East